mugeni wakwa wa keri rushini rwa umuthi etego Meciria na ni mutarani na niwe tuko tukinyitanira hamwe nake na nigetha orege uko tukimenya maingi makiria uria tufate uko tukigitira meciria maitu na uko tukimathaitira riria turi Wiraini. Karibu sana Meciria.
Asante sana Wajiko. Ni thengio tondu wa kunyita ugeni. Jitago Masi Muriuki tio karaoke Muriuki na ni ndi counselor na jaragiririo horo wa good mental health na I like being the ambassador because it's a good gospel kwirado ati ni wega kwimenyerera meciria maku urio thiaga thibitari ugathondekwo rigi nwatihio kana ni uraturwo ni mutwe ukaheo dawa is the same na meciria maku ni ufateire muno na kumagitira na kureke the right thing ikorwe kwa processed in your mind.
Thank you muno Makiria. Tukiambiriria tondu turariririe horo wigi ukoro tukigitira meciria riria andu mari wiraini kana riria turi wiraini hihi ni mathina mariku maumanaga kana makoragwo magicungiriria meciria muno wiraini kana ni mathina mariku ukoraga kaingi andu mari wiraini makoragwo na mathina ma meciria?
Kiu ni kiuria kiega muno. In fact mweri uyu wa October tukoretwo tukiaria uhoro wa good mental health at workplaces. Iyo ni ikoretwo iri theme. Koguo ni kuri na a lot of talks uhoro wa andu aria mararuta wira rigini maofishini rigini kwiyandika wira magihota ata gwikara na meciria maria magirire na makoro magika maundu mao na njirire fata iri the right way. Ni hari maundu maingi muno makinyagira andu higoria makuruta mawira na one of the things mundu no arware na higoria kurwara ri ni ukuigua we as a person tondu rigini uramenyerete guthie wira ni hari mirimu itikaga more time na ukaigua no muhako wa ucoke wira na riu gutikiri ndungi ndagitari ekaga rimwe sometimes no gukuhero thaga kwira minimum urute wira kiwango hiki but then wona acoka wira ukona tirire you are not fully functioning as before. Koguo ucio no ukorwo ni undu uraguthumbura na kinya kwiyuria tirire fears comes along ni ngurihwo ni makunyigata wira tondu because I am not in my right way. Am I in the right way I'm supposed to be acting? Koguo rige ni maundu tungi tukoragwo thini wa mawira-ini ni kwaga ku understand your job description higwere wandikwo wira ukirwo na nituragio muno ni ukuhota kuruta wira ukauga ni guhota kuruta wira o wira uriku o rio kuhe no na ru rio kuhe duri na na wira uria exactly uramenya ati uyu ingiheo guruta ona ditoro no durute ditoro ntondo ni undu nyendete na ni undu ndirahota kuruta. Koguo hingora waingira thini wa wira-ini ri utari na description yo na nduramenya ri umuthe ni watumwo thoko rucio ni urashafa no hari a lot of confusion
ona meciria-ini mako
mono.
Okay.
Yes.
Riria turari horo wigi kugitira meciria maitu nijue hena andu ingi makoragwo makingihirwo ni meciria tondu wari horo wigi job description oro ati ndora understand wira uria ufati gukorwo kiruta no he aria angi makoragwo makituge ni ta overwork ukaruta wira ona makiria tuge ona ni understand your job description no gakora ni wingihirwo ni wira uria uraruta tuge ona nduri na time ya gukorwo kihurukia ona meciria mako ino ne korwo igicungiriria mundu gukorwo akirwara ona meciria make
mono tondu iyo ni tutaga work alcoholic. You're already addicted to your work. It is also a type of addiction na tijega ni tondu riu meciria maku ni mafataire kuhuruka. You need to take self care higwere uraruta wira tondu na waruta wira onogiruta wira na ria marutaga wira 24 hours plus ni ukona mundu ucio they are not in the right state of their mind tondu ni ena fatigue dareka maundu uria kwagirire taru ungikoro ni gutwarithia ngari ona ni agucause kinya accident kogwo rest is very important ni wega kumenya atiriri where are the boundaries na thini wa wira uyu nigere ona waruta wira urute 24 or 72 hours re you will not finish all that work no muhaka koro hari undu watiga kogwo ni wega kumenya atiriri these are the boundaries na haha niho gukinya wira wakwa I am working from 8 to 10 and in between the work in between the 8 to 10 ni hari breaks hari na break ya guthie tea time I think many places at least ni maheanaga maita meri tarige thaa 4 na rige thaa 10 na thaa 7 ni lunch time niwe koragwa a little bit longer kogwo take opportunity of the breaks that comes within your work dukaugete no mwaka I have to beat the deadline you also need to be empowered nikyo hakoro na hinyari washoka wira ni ukuhota ni ukoro na speed ya kuruta wira kogwa dore makorogo merina work alcoholically sometimes they are also running away from other things they don't want to solve
hema undu marorida
yes
tuge ni make mushie kana maundu mao
ona mao mari individual matireda kukoro in touch no tutaga touching the core matireda kugwa mareda Meciria ma concentrated na wira that's something that is happening within them na dareda kudeal naguo so au blockaga na wira ona repo ni ona akinya ndu makirara thini wa office ni tondu hari na maundu ringi mushie ata matamenyete ko solve na doye uria akwanjia kugwa kona kurira ni haha wira-ini
thengi muno Meciria ingihota ate gukorwo ngimenya tuge ni nyihiro ni Meciria kana I have maybe a mental issue riria ndi wira-ini kana I'm not well mentally riria ndi wira-ini kana we wita mundu tuge ni murata wakwa ingihota ate kumenya mundu uyu tutire hamwe mundu uyu ndari sawa toko ni nyihiro ni Meciria kana tuge ndaigwa wega
really understand wira uyu ndirarutari ni uriku what are the priorities thini wa wira uyu what are the goals thini wa wira uyu higwere wona mundu ni aje kinya gutira wira no ni tu ni to signs to red flags to kuona ndaraigwa gukira guthi wira taru reke ndari na motivation taru ige kuria rushini rwa muthe wa jiko uigwire ate ugukira ukeka wira
mudu ni kuaga
yes and there are normal struggles tondu rimwe ringi ni urutite wira for a very long time ukaigwa wina fatigue na rimwe ni mukorogwo short mwina staff shortage ringi mundu ni arwarire akwira nugamirira kogwo ri no ukoro higoyo ukaigwa wina a little bit fatigue no ugiona ati ni wajia gukira ukaigwa ui dathiku ukagia na stress at that moment kinya ukaja kinya ukona panic direda guthi yes then how hena thina ugiona ru nwajia wero nwajia kuboa ukuboa ati ukira wathi weka the same thing do not learn anything na wirosho that is another sign
or I feel we stagnant
whether you do it or not anyway tomu hako urute so ugonodo utaragu challenge as a person ona higoro guthi taru uguwoka wira-ini ukona atiriri how well can I be able to become a better presenter ukamenya atiriri ni uko need ko add a skill na urege ushoke thukuru kana uthie training kogwo ngiona wira utarako motivate those are kind of the signs ukwaja kuona ugokira rege kinya ni ukorwara yes nisho twetaga rimona ni uraigwa ruo uraigwa ruo magego ni maratura na matire matura nisho twetaga somatic pains tondu ona wathi thibitari ri gutiri unduronekana so ukona undo mwiri waku ri wina thina na ni tondu wa gukira guthie wira kai ukira uthi wira kogwa hau ukamenya that is also another red flag na no wahura thimu no wahenania ndurathie wira ate we nyuguthi kinya handu makwandikire uma thibitari just because you don't want to go to work yeah
au ni homenyaga maundu no
maundu ri omega grace ya wirosho ni guthirire fiu
mundu fati gwika ate akinya handu ta hau riu nigetha guthaitira ona meciria maku nikifati gwika angikorwo maundu ni makinyete hau ngikorwo wokira rucini wina those panic attacks anduraigwa wina motivation ya guthi wira-ini ona ni urakinya hau auga mundu no ahenani ona ndiraigwa wega na fake medical report ati ndirathi wega nikifati riu gwika ungiona maundu ni marakinya hau ri fati gwika ate
be true to yourself no go dauga understanding what you need to do. Why did you get into that job in the first place? Tondu rege waingirire thini wa wira ucio tondu ni mundu wa gutwarire ona ndwari willing kuruta wira anyway rege ni mweniriria family kuroraga ukona tori wira ugatwarwo handu rute wira na ni wira ona ndui kuruta na nduwendete menya atiri niki giki motivateaga what motivates me ati ndaja kuruta wira uyu ni uheaga gikeno na ni uheaga thini wa kwari ni njigua ni gukorwo na capacity ya kwenda ku learn wira uyu even further na ku challenge thini wa psychology tugaga atiriri in every negative thing geria kurora kuruta positive. What can you learn even in that negative thing? Aja kuruta to maundu tudorona ni positive ni woka ni wira ni undu utaramenyaga kuruta ni hari wira twitaga job on training ni waigira rige nwaja go train wira na nduri wathi kinya thukuru na ru ukaigwa ru wira ri ndirawenda but it is an opportunity for you to learn something new, so start learning from those positive things zinakuja ni gani unaweza gather and what can you do about it. Yes.
So ukoya the positive out of even the negative. Ukabia kuona undu uredireka hena undu mwega hena kindu ndiraland na nigetha uhote ona guthaitira meciria maku andaigiriria mari wira-ini ni ukoraga hena andu matari na that ability ukorwo makiruta matari na ability ya gukorwo makiruta wira tondu tuge meciria mao matiri wira-ini kana their mental health is not okay ni undu meciria kana ability yake ya kuruta wira ndirahota gukorwo kwa uria kwagirire. How do mental health affect our ability to work?
Tugaga stress is normal. To have a stress tarurigino ni normal first of all but higurea exidre nirio rutuitaga abnormal because no kire rushini no koro uroretha onewe ni dasherero there stress comes but nekedo gihota ku manage nekedo gihota ku manage if you are not able to drive very fast kana kwa ya matatu ukona ni uikaria fara what do ni ukoya regi motorbike because you have been able to solve your stress. Ndio tunazitanga the stressors. If you are able to manage these stressors, if you are able to cope with everyday stress, then you are at a good place. No higweria stress eno yakora ru ni atuika kinya panic ni atuika kinya ru ni arehe anxiety riu hau niho thina wajagia kuonekana ni tondu you are not a stable person. Yes.
Okay. Na ndire hakinya hau njikete tondu I'm able to cope with everyday stress no ndirahota go cope neno eki eno ya exit the normal stress levels ndirahota nayo ni uko need gwika reflection weteka mushemanio uria tiriri what have I been doing we just level yourself on nikiki gituma ngorwo ndiraigura ndiraigwa thini wa higura ndathi thini wa wiroyo thini wa if you are employed within organization itari na HR na HR makoragwo ma train tondu ungihota kwa magihota kwaria na staff no uthi haria no mwire of late ndiraigwo na ni ndiraigwo hari ndungihota kundeithiriria ni tondu ni makoragwo the expertise na ni most of the times makorehe some trainings at workplaces ndingi ni mwarehero training about stress management na tumaundu tatu uguo kogwo ongikorwo ni hari trainings cingioka thini wa wira kana ni cirareho thini wa wira-ini wa nyuri take advantage of that tondu ni ciguteithagiriria muno but haha hakinya ati nwathi nwagia na disorder na nwaje kinya kunywa dawari then that means you are at a state where
now medication continues continually na uri kwandikite wira ni afataire understand na dafataire kinya gugutigithia wira because every person has a right to work. Yes.
Okay. Every person has a right to work. Every person has a gutigithia wira. Ona maundu makoro ona ni meherire when ofati gukoro gwitiga wira agikoro mundu ni maingihite you feel you're not okay. Ondu ofati gukoro gwitigithia wira ndu wa your condition.
No. No, and that is why we are doing this sensitization, mental, good mental health at workplaces. Todo ni kuriado me Wiraini na ni arwaru. Yeah, but they are on medication. Nano mahote kunya kuruta wira wao wega muno. Na ni hari ado agikinya they are tugaga they are challenged. They are able differently. Yeah, uko na mudo dare na speed area wina yo ya go type. So you're not supposed to discriminate them. You're supposed to give them time. Mahewiro urauna ni makuhota kuruta na marute wega and then bring balance todo higoria adotasho maigwati durama he certain work because you feel their condition they will not be able to do it whole. Ni makorago na udutogwita ni makwigwa they are stigmatized na ruha uniho kinya Meciria masho majagia kurwarira. Yeah.
Here ndugushiria ona wiraini no ona maga kuga kena aria maugaga na hena aria matahotaga ona kwiyaria no ni hakinyaga hando ugakora mundu and even the suicidal thoughts how can you horo wigi mundu toyo muge muteithiriria na njira iriku ni arakinya hando wira tuge ni wira uramu affect kana maundu ni maramuingihira no ni tukanetio na maundu make agatukania mawira na maundu magi agakora riu ena suicidal thoughts mundu toyo okakurinyu muhotaga kumuteithia.
When things are too much, stop. Todo then stop. Stop think. Todo nyuraruta wira wina suicidal thoughts. Nyurariria kinyadwa awiraini nyuramerana nie ni gwika kiudo. Niyo wiro ni todo ni hari mawira makorogo mari so intense na hau niho ufataire ku understand. No ni kuri ando maheago itagwata contract they don't even read modu the ahea contract assignite dana read clauses ore shirauga rege hari na things that are coming through with this job that you need to take precaution but when you assign ugire I am okay with work bora kazi ni wega muno ku understand we already do yari ni uko benefit ate ni as a person even in my health na gine no makoro na issues at home shirama affect na shigato mama tiga perform thini wa wiraini wa uria mafataire ku perform kogwo hau hage kinya hau na no daugatirire ugiona red flags shishaja ku happen in you wina HR wiraini no hote kumwariria rege no age kwariria manager wako no warire na HR amenye this you are not able to hit your targets to doing challenges na hari mawira makorago na shita wata KPIs at if you have not attained your KPIs then do giheo bonus kana riu ni kwaja kuheo warning letter koko ni wega kumenyithia your management tene if you are here or if you are feeling ni hari maundu maratu madoga complete wira wakuria kwagirire au na ugikorwo ni uko need more time no way leave go and solve issues at home if there are issues at home no ugikorwo ni kurwara go to the hospital waje go treatwa na ni turea encourage organizations nyingi muno shihote ku adopt uhoroyo wa gukorwo na therapy sessions with workers gukorwo na therapist hari awira-ini agihota kwariria arutia ya wira we aramariria like a profession not as a person who works in the organization as a profession nikyo ru haha ni unya kumenya if this person needs more time ru ni wo gukoro bridge between this worker and the management
intimidation kuma kore your boss kana your manager hoka ni horo begi uthaitira kana gukoro tukigitira Meciria maito no kore undu uyu ni gukoro ku affect Meciria maku riria turai horo begi intimidation from your maybe your immediate boss or from all your bosses mundu afati gwika atia nigetha maundu maya matigakinye handu megukorwo maki affect your mental health. Yes.
Wow, kiuria kiu ni kiuria kiega muno na ngwiciria andu aingi ni mahitukagira thini wa moko-ini ma managers kana supervisor who are not very kind. Na no tume kinya wigirite wira ringi umuthi rucio ka resign tondu you cannot handle how they are treating you. And the first thing ni kwenda ku understand mundu uyu ri endaga maundu mekwa atia tondu riu ri he's your she's your superior supervisor. Wenda wamenya uria wira wake endaga wikori, make sure you do that. Tondu riu hau ni hwa kunyitagira kaugona you became rude to me. Na rigi mundu uyu ri every time urona mundu urenda ku twitaga ni kuku ambush in a way, ni arenda kuku shame in front of people, ni arenda threaten and all that. Ni mundu koragwo na their own issues. Koguo ni mundu koragwo na maundu make aumite namo na kuu, rigi mucii, rigi ni make wira, rigi ni pressure ya wira, na akona riu aya ari mari thi wake nio agwitira akuruta pressure hau. Riu haria nyajirie kuga atiriri, understanding your contract is very important, your job description is very important, and then nuaruta wira waku uria kwagirire, so you have all the evidences. Kuri na mundu ri higher than you can always report that. Na ni hojugire you have your HR who is in charge of that organization in terms of human resource. Na ogikoro you're not mutiraiguana na your manager and you have done all that you need to do, then there are always someone who is higher than that manager. Yes. And you can always report. Yeah. Tondu ni hatire fata ungikoro ni wendete wira waku muno, no every time mundu ni aroka aka ku twitaga iyo ni ku abuse. That is either they are abusing you emotional or they are abusing you in verbally. Yeah. So it is good you take charge. You as a minor, you take charge. Waruta wira wakura kwagirira wina evidence ya mawira makure urutite, ni uramenya there is nothing that you have done wrong, you can always go to a higher. You can either do a letter or according to the clauses share wira show in wakuri, draw what you need to do for your protection. Yes, because every worker need to be protected. Yes.
Hihi andu ingi no makorwo mena guoya wa gukorwo maki report maybe such a case ni undu tuge kana korwo na such a record you report no action was taken kana undu ucio kihuthika against you. Atondu ndiramenya ndiraria andu aingi he andu tuge mana hitukira undu tucio kana marahitukira onagia kwa ihinda riri undu tucio ugakora riu wina guoya urahota riu perform wira-ini waku uria kwagirire. Should the next step be kutigana na wira uyo na tuge you don't have any other option kana rufati gwikate?
Unfortunately riu ugitiga wira na rigi hatire no ndungi wetereire gwika mawira ni makoragwo na pressure nyingi muno. So in fact ona higuru regira thini wa wira ri it's not going to be smooth. Tondu ni hari deadlines you need to meet as a person. Na riu haha murahitania na manager uyu ri ndiwe niki kigituma manager uyu akoro on your case every day, then there might be a problem. If you are able to face the manager, it will be the best. Umwire face umwire, but you have to deal with yourself first. Duga corona anger tondu higoro wa face na anger ri ni akuona na rimo no wende kumuria tiriri wendaga dute wiratia nona murie questions that will provoke him or her in a way of the working way. Wendaga report atia, how do you want me to be reporting so that nisikose,
Yes.
Yeah, just try to keep yourself cool, don't overreact, but also above all work with people that neurona ni mara ko encourage, and especially ugodauga omodu na protection thini wa wiraini. And also there are rules za I think shita what a work I don't know what they are called in Kenya, but they can also protect you. Yes, you as a person, and you can report if it has gone against. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
No hotel koroki report. Haya kiuria kingi tokoro tukiuria horo wigi toxic work environment. And yukoraga kaige andu aingi ni makoragwo na in that toxic work environment. Tukembiriria riria turaria about a toxic work environment. How would you describe a toxic work environment?
Actually, this is one of the risks and that causes mental health at workplace. Higoria mwa rutawira in a can environment katara in a space. Murarugira hau niho murasabira customer, yani anything can happen. Tondu hau hena mwaki hatiri na riera riria rifataire gukorwo with the freedom of movement. So the space at work also matters a lot. Hari uraruta wira wina handu ngihota ona gwika tumaundu twaku private, kwina kioro, kwina handu ngicenjeria nguo ciaku, maundu ta macogo. Koguo they can also be at a risk ya ku expose ado mentally. Tondu ni ureciria ndacoka karumu karia nona every time uko kiroko na wira ni ndwendete no haria twacoka twi hamwe, how is what there. So workspace is very important. Environment also igire shikoragwo rimwe tukoragwo twigite mawira maitu kundu kuina makelele mingi sana nona na taru ogikonditsa in a industry material na protective gears taruta cia kuma protect thini wa shuma icio ringi cirati gio koguo nona health yao ni aja kwaja ku deteriorate tondu they are not protecting either their ears or na maitho tondu ni mafukire uko na protective gears thini wa wirosho. So some workplaces ni cikoragwo cirina inadequate work protection equipment. Others ne gukorwo environment area muriri rigi hena sewage. It is not conducive higore andu mararuta wira. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Muno Meciria. Can your fellow employees honor your boss in one way or the other? No matume your work environment etweke ni gutamu as toxic.
Boss or employees?
Yeah, your fellow employees.
Yes.
No matume your work environment ekoro termed as toxic.
Yes, because we have toxic people. Toxic relationships, and how niho twajiriria na manage oyo. Why is he being toxic? First of all, umenye it is not about you. He has just picked on you, but akona their own issues.
Yes.
Their own issues, so he becomes toxic. And also your work colleagues no makoro mari toxic. Yeah, but when ufataire ukemenya tiriri no dirarutania wira nake no igihota kwira kiria fataire kwira and how far should I go. Yeah, how do I also start protecting myself from the toxicity? Yeah, no akoro rigini adoma partying all the time nona na higoria matararuta wira ri niwe matigire wira umarute. So how far is how far? You can take charge. Don't cover for anybody. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
How far can it go?
Yeah. Yeah, take charge. Weka boundaries zako, let people know this is who you are. Priority cia kureke mamenye we ni mundu ukoragwo rogamite o wekaga wira waku na you have your own boundaries. Yes. Otherwise if you don't, the toxicity will also be over and it will push you. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Muno Meciria. Riria turadio horo bigi work environment kana maundu maria makoragwo makihanika wira-ini maria mangicungiriria mundu gukorwo akingihirwo ni meciria kana ona kirwara meciria make tutikiaga kuhutia horo bigi andu gutigithio wira na ona thaici tuma na wakire twakorwo tukiaririria andu aria marakorwo magitigithio wira thini wa wabici ya munini wa mutongoria wa bururi 108 of them. Na ungirora andu taya no mekore hatikaini ya gukorwo makirwara meciria. Ungihota atia gukorwo ukima advice kana ukimatara uhoro wigi guthaitira meciria mao na kumagitira nigetha hatigakinye handu ni undu wa stress tondu ni urona riu tuge ni mutumia ena ciana iramurora already ni mahingite thukuru ciana niguo iriaga muno makirireria mari muci wita gucekira menyo guo no kwa stress tondu ndwe mbeca no wira tungihota atia gukorwo tukigitira meciria maitu hokani uhoro wigi gutigithio wira na ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ nigetha ona uhote gukorwo ukibalance no hote ona ku provide your family ona mahinda me maritu. Yes.
Oh, things happen in life. Omothe wiho rusho ndure gugakorwo kuhana rimwe no urutaga wira rigi if you are working in a bakery no watinio kiara ugitinia rigi mugate, so these things happen na wira rigi wina guo mothe na rusho ndugakorwo naguo, so planning ahead is important. Tiga guikara ati wira ucio tari everything na tiga guikara ati no hau ungihota kuruta your daily bread. Ngai ni akoragwo atuhete ability of doing other things. Ni hari tu maundu wonaga waja kuruta rigi, waja ku bake, waja rigi ku garden, waja kuhanda rigi your greens no kaja kwedia. So have another plan. Dukarore wira uyu tu, that is, and it's so unfortunate taruwa shomara tigithiro wira abruptly tondu ni undu materegereirie rigi mundu ena loans ena school fees arari ha rigi mundu arari na project arekaga and all of a sudden rigi besha icio ciothe arariceive ite araikitie how project ini etereire tondu riu wira ni ukuheaga contract, say for example ni either ni ukuheaga permanent contract kana contract according to how you are working. So ni ko encourage ado because you don't know about tomorrow. Think ahead. Think about what other things can you start doing ona higore within wa wira ucio na nwaririkana tukianjiriria hare ni njugire atiriri that contract re ni koragwo yandikite those clauses, yeah, in case of anything, yeah, this and this might happen. Kogo wikarage higo ciothe wihariria ati umuthe wina wira uyu na rucio no wikore nduri na wira. So how do you pick yourself up? Of course it's not easy. It's not easy. How ni mundu ni ajege akinya uko na depression tondu ni urajete system yaku ri irahuthirite ati urokira kiroko gathie wira urishoka hwaini riu ni wokira nduri undu urenda nduri undu ureka, but now you have to start planning. Higore wade ku wira ucio, start planning. What else can I start doing? Ni kurima guri jaja kurima, either it's animal farming, either I'm selling something, I'm opening a shop. Kid, do something for yourself. That when everything is stripped away from you, who do people say you are, Karo? Oh, wiroyo wode ogiwoyo na ukorodore presentary. Who are you? Yeah, so start building yourself. Onogikoni gushoka dhukuru or learn something new. Build yourself. Ni otitaga personal development. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Niwega gukora na self awareness. Ni jitaga self awareness the backbone in mental health. Todo higora wamenya these are my strengths, my weaknesses, and these are my opportunities. Then you're able to work through. Yeah, wamenya this is not my strength. Do what you did. Wamenya this is what I need to do. You will do it with all the passion that you have. Yeah. The other thing is ogikorono wadikito understand even the labor laws sugar gatia then wa modoria wadikito wera. Because those are the things that protect you. They are the arms that protect you when your company is not protecting you. So there are other protection that comes if no ufuto wera danonado mathiete kwa labor na magakoro makikoro defended or magakoro protected because it was unfair dismissal. Yeah, na rege mundu kinya no akoro uneza umia ukiwa jobe na riu ukona mdosi ni agutigithia wera tondu riu wera rarutagari. That is not supposed to be like that. Afatairi akuhe another role that you can be able to do, but not tigogutigithia wera. Get to understand. Don't sign contract without understanding it. Onanekafa orie no thina contract yo mushikana no wete mudu hakuhe akweleze what are these clauses mean. Todore mwene tuihiga na clauses isho todore mwene magukwira tere wage signire wa Kugitira you'll be okay. Understand your job description. Niki ufatire weka every day. At the end of the month ufatire gukoro urutite wira hana atia. Yeah, what are your KPIs? Are you growing? Igore wana dura grow in your work, then there is a problem. Yes, and every person has a right to work. Every person has a right to good mental health. Now, the other thing is also encouraging organization again and again. Train people on this awareness cia mental health. Meciria do magihota kumafundithia todo mudu regida kuhota kuthi therapy, but riria wa take that opportunity ya kumetera mudu wa kumafundithia about maybe anger management, how to finances and all that, they are at a better place. Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you mono Meciria masi muriuki nguka uko Kiheo TV no koro gitwira mundu angenda uteithio kuma kuri we tuge onoko ni an organization na no mende ukoro mundu agiuka kumariria uhoro wigi mental awareness mundu angihota ate gukoro gukinyira
need mutarani. I talk to people, I train people, and no ginyere thine wa my social media handles. Nina page itago Zoe Fair Havens on Facebook. You can inbox me there. No hurire dhimo 0720782109. No nyadikire a short message, and we can organize uratoko guthomithia your organization, your workers, and how to empower them to also become better. Todo it's a relationship we umwadikite na kiokite wira, so it's a relationship, no muhake meet somewhere kogwo kiria rehe methaini na we kiria ukudeliver, you have to enhance that relationship. Nikiona ndugakorwo na a loss of keeping on employing new people over and over again, that ndio kuhota kuma maintain na oni makuhota gukena ni tondu wa services iria mara mukira thini wa organization yaku. So you can get me there. No hurire thimu no nyadikire along Thika Road, Akai Plaza, Serenity Counseling Center, 3rd floor. You can come there and ask me.